You are about to waste 10 plus years of your life staring at your phone screen. 3 hours and 15 minutes per day on average. Over the course of your life, that is 92,525 hours. And in this video, I'm going to help you to avoid that happening. And all of this advice is coming from myself, someone who has been off of social media and away from their phone for over 3 years. Step 1, you need to go into your settings and you need to turn off all of your notifications for all of the apps individually. It's the notifications that pop up on your phone in the corner of your eye that start off the cycle. Next, we're going to delete the apps that are responsible for sending these notifications and for drawing you in and hooking your attention. So we're going to go to all of the apps like Instagram and TikTok and Snapchat. We're going to hold them down and we're going to delete them. We're not just going to remove them from our home screen because we all know how to re-navigate to that app. We're going to delete the app and we're going to delete its data. More later on in the video on how to avoid relapsing and reinstalling those apps. Next, we're going to do a life hack. Turn your phone into grayscale. This is going to make your phone incredibly boring to look at. All of the colors are going to be monochrome, and so you're not going to be as tempted to swipe through your camera roll even when you don't have any apps to go through. Next, we're going to install this new mindset, and this has been a lifesaver for me. Ask yourself this: what for, why now, and what else? So every time you go to reach for your phone, ask yourself, what is it for? Why am I picking up my phone? Is there a reason? Is there something that came to my mind that I want to Google? Is there a silly question that you want to ask ChatGPT and you're just dying for the answer? So great, you've answered the what for and it's legitimate. Then ask yourself, why now? Could this be done later on? Do you have something more pressing that you need to do, like catching up on emails or recording content, or could you go for a walk? Is this an important question that you need to know the answer to right now? And if it is, then great, you've asked that question. Lastly, you're going to ask yourself, what else? So once you have found the answer to the question that you want to know so much about, are you going to stay on your phone and start swiping through your little cycle and going to Instagram and Facebook and scrolling through your phone? Or are you just going to get your question answered and then leave? The point of asking these questions is it's you that has the agency. You're in control of your phone and your phone isn't in control of you. You're asking yourself this 3-step question and you have the authority over your phone to go for the information and then leave when you are done. Step 5, this is how you actually stay off of your phone. We're going to replace what once was a vapid dopamine haven for your brain with low stimuli activity. This reinforces the concept in your mind that you need to earn dopamine and it shouldn't be easily accessible. Things like reading a book or drawing or writing. All of these things are going to help to fix your attention span. And step 6, this is the last step in order to help you stay off of social media, is to take up a passion project that you find purposeful. What do I mean by this? Well, look at this YouTube channel, for example. I find it incredibly purposeful and important to tell people about the dangers of screen addiction and social media addiction. And so I use my phone, which is currently on the stand, as a tool to further me in that mission that I have to create content and to teach people about just how bad this addiction can be. Again, it can take 10 years off of your life. So try and take up a passion project like photography, content creation that actually utilizes the technology around you for the good of your mission rather than a distraction and a digital crutch that you have to rely on just to stay stimulated. So go back and rewind the video, go through all them steps. Trust me, it has been the best thing I've ever done in my life, the best decision I've ever made. It's improved my mood, it's improved my relationships with my family and my friends, it's improved my communication skills and my ability to talk, and I no longer feel like a depressed loser sat in my bedroom scrolling through my phone like I once was. Hope you found those tips valuable, helpful, and thank you so much for watching.